So welcome back to the channel, guys. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel and not yet subscribe, guys, do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our gold. So if you have been following this channel consistently, you would have seen how we predicted this gold to push up, and now we got in this pullback. Now our next movement of gold is another push up. So guys, a further bullish move is what we should be expecting on our gold. So when you zoom it out right here, this is our trend on our gold. Gold says that we are in an uptrend move. This is a good bullish move, right? Now, this is it here. This is the high, and here is the higher low. So gold eventually push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Gold eventually push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. So it did again another bullish move that formed a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. So gold is now about to push up again to form a new higher high, and that new higher high should be able to take out this previous high. So guys, a further bullish move is what we should be expecting on our gold. So guys, bullish move is what we should be expecting on our gold. Now let's take a look at it on the 4-hour time frame. So this is a multiple rejection zone here. Market has rejected from this level, and this is a push up. So whatever you want to do, let's say a pullback and then another bullish move. So at the end of the day, we should expect gold to give us a bullish move. Okay, and we should also expect a bullish move on Tuesday. So this week will be a very strong movement to the upside of gold. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on the subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments, and follow the Telegram channel.